Hello, I'm your driving instructor. Welcome to today's lesson where we'll be practicing an essential driving skill that many drivers, both new and experienced, struggle with, crossing a roundabout. Roundabouts might seem straightforward, but they can cause confusion and accidents if not approached properly. You'll want to pay close attention because almost 60% of viewers who watch this video answered the question incorrectly. Let's go ahead and break down a task involving roundabouts that we'll practice today. It's a simple yet very interesting exercise, and I'm sure it will help you understand the rules better. The task involves a situation where a truck is already driving in the roundabout and has its right turn signal on as it is about to take the first exit. At the same time, a red car, with its own right turn signal on, is entering the roundabout. The collision between these two vehicles happens because the red car fails to yield properly. Luckily, no one was injured, but the question remains, who is at fault in this situation? Let me give you some options. Who do you think is not at fault in this collision? Is it the truck, the red car? Please pause the video now if you need extra time, and then make your choice. Once you've made your decision, continue watching for the breakdown. All right, let's dive into the analysis of this scenario. The truck was already driving through the roundabout with its signal indicating it was about to take the first exit. On the other hand, the red car entering the roundabout didn't give way to the truck. When approaching roundabouts, you must pay attention to yield signs and road markings that indicate who has the right of way. In this case, we see the yield sign, along with road markings that reinforce this warning. These signs indicate that the red car was supposed to slow down and give way to vehicles already circulating in the roundabout, such as the truck. When you're driving, always remember that safety should be your top priority. Rushing is never a good idea on the road, as it puts your life and the lives of others at risk. The key point here is that the red car, in its haste, failed to observe the yield sign, which led to the collision. Therefore, the red car was at fault, and the truck did nothing wrong. Now let's answer the question, who was not at fault? The correct answer is option 1, the truck. It was driving correctly in the roundabout, and the red car didn't give way as required. So if you chose the truck as the one not at fault, you got it right. Congratulations. As your driving instructor, I'm here to remind you to always pay close attention to traffic signs and signals. Remember that the yield sign means you must allow other vehicles to pass if they have the right of way. This is crucial for ensuring everyone's safety on the road. Please don't rush, stay alert, and make sure you're always following the road signs. If you follow the rules, the chances of getting a fine or being involved in an accident will be greatly reduced. Make sure to subscribe to my channel for more driving tips and guidance. I want to help you stay safe on the road, so the police never stop you and issue a fine. Take care, drive safely, and always be cautious. The road is full of surprises, so it's essential to stay focused and follow the rules.